Did you know that New Valley is no longer just a residential community? With a future central business district, a new SM New Valley, major infrastructure projects, and billions worth of investments coming in, New Valley is rapidly transforming into the next economic powerhouse of the South. Let's talk about the latest developments of New Valley as of June 2026. Hello guys, this is me again, Steve Singsoni, your property expert and one of the senior sales managers from Ayala Land Core Residential Business Group. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa mga buyers ko na nagtiwala po sa akin because year to date, as of June 2026, we are the top 3 sales managers sa Core Residential Business Group and the number 1 sales manager sa ating in-house sales group. And this is because sa mga buyers and clients ko sa buong mundo na nagtiwala mag-invest dito sa New Valley, and I am looking forward to meet you all. Before I start with New Valley development updates, I would like to start with New Valley, of course. Believe it or not, before the malls, schools, business districts, and residential communities, New Valley was once covered by vast sugarcane fields. The land formed parts of the historic Hacienda Yulo and Calubang Sugar Estate, one of the country's most important sugar-producing areas. Today, that same land has transformed into one of the Philippines' premier eco-city, a remarkable journey from sugarcane plantation to the business district of the South. Let's start here with SM New Valley. SM New Valley will be the largest SM mall in Laguna once it opens, surpassing the size of existing SM malls in the province. It is scheduled to open in the last quarter of 2026 and will become the SM Prime's 91st mall in the Philippines. One of its biggest attractions is a 1-hectare air-conditioned indoor garden, a unique feature rarely seen in the Philippine malls. SM New Valley will also feature 24 EV charging stations, supporting the increasing adoption of electric vehicles. Aside from that, meron silang water recycling systems and energy-efficient lighting integrating into the development. That complement New Valley's eco-city concept, creating a mixed-use destinations within New Valley. What are the highlights of this luxury mall behind me? Of course, it is composed of 82,000 square meters of gross leasable space. Number 2, it has its 1-hectare air-conditioned indoor garden. It will have premium restaurants and international brands. It also has EV charging stations, future connection to Park-In by Radisson's Hotel, and SMX facilities. It also has its Envy Tower, a 20-story Grade A office tower with 35,000 square meters of office space designed for BPOs, multinational companies, and corporate offices. Imagine, history repeats by itself. Ano ba ibig ko sabihin? Like for example, in Quezon City, we have the SM North and Ayala Malls Vertis North. In Pasay, we have Mall of Asia and Ayala Malls Manila Bay. And here in New Valley, we have the SM New Valley and the Ayala Malls New Valley. And kumbaga, these two big malls in the Philippines, nagsasama siya together nang wala lang, Ibig sabihin, there is something important sa area na gagawin nila. That's all for SM New Valley update. And now, let's move to our next destination, the Ayala Malls New Valley.
We are done with SM New Valley, and now mag-proceed naman tayo sa mismong entrance ng New Valley. Ang kagandahan dito, yung dinadaanan po natin ngayon is Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, which connects the city of Santa Rosa going to Tagaytay. But in the future, there will be a bypass inside New Valley that connects New Valley directly to Tagaytay. Ang pangalan po is Kasili Tagaytay Road. Isa yun sa mga exciting developments na gagawin po dito. And ngayon po, punta naman po tayo sa Ayala Malls New Valley.
Ayala Malls New Valley is more than just a shopping destination. Originally launched as Solinat in 2009, it has grown into one of the country's premier open-air lifestyle malls, with a major expansion underway that will bring its total size to over 100,000 square meters. Ayala Malls New Valley continues to strengthen its position as the lifestyle heart of the rising South. The expansion will bring additional flagship brands, specialty retailers, and new shopping concepts to cater to the growing New Valley community. Ipa-flash ko po sa screen yung mga expected na stores and brands na i-open this 2026. To summarize, before ang tawag sa kanya, Solinad 1, 2, 3. And this one behind me is the Solinad 4. And nag-rebranding po yung mall natin. Ang tawag sa kanya is Ayala Malls New Valley. Na pagkatapos tong mall na to, this mall is even bigger than Glorieta in Makati. So expect high-end brands and magandang mga available shops na pagkatapos po ito.
Again, especially sa mga bagong viewers natin, New Valley is the largest development of Ayala land in the Philippines, composed of 2,500 hectares. And malaki pa yung part ng nabili dun sa likod ng New Valley South. Hindi pa may disclose ni Ayala land kung ilang hectares yon. But up to date, ang size niya is 2,500 hectares. It transcends 3 key cities of Laguna, which are Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao. Usually, when we say New Valley, yung unang alam lang po natin is the Santa Rosa area lang po. So actually, the Santa Rosa area of New Valley is the major commercial component of New Valley. Dito po tayo ngayon. So currently, nasa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road po tayo, and sa kabilang side po ng New Valley po tayo pupunta. Sa pinaka main entrance niyo po. So this is the entrance of New Valley, or which is known for or as the New Valley North. And one of the biggest updates in New Valley North is the man-made lake, the iconic man-made lake, no? So it's approximately 4 hectares in size and currently undergoing a major refresh and rehabilitation program to improve water quality, sustainability, and the overall visitor experience. On our left side now is the Seda Hotel, one of the estate's most important hospitality landmarks. So sa New Valley, may 3 hotels po tayo. Yung iba ginagawa pa. The first one na existing natin is Seda Hotel, which has 2 towers na po. It has 356 rooms na po in total, yung existing po natin. And yung mga iba po doon, kay SM New Valley naman po, doon po meron tayong Park Inn by Radisson's Hotel. And meron pa pong isang gagawin na international hotel within the Metro New Valley. So in the future, we have 3 big hotels inside New Valley. Aside from that, we have the Museum for Architecture and Residences. It is also known as the Cloud Tower. It is designed by world-renowned Japanese architect named Su Fujimoto, famous for blending nature and architecture into iconic structures. Ang kagandahan dito sa pinaka-building, it has a museum, art gallery, exhibits, and sa taas niya may mga luxury condos. And sa mismong building itself, it has 200 trees, para siyang vertical forest. Ganun po siya kaganda. And apart from that, we also have the New Valley Techno Hub. Si New Valley Techno Hub, it has new Class A building. Nakagandahan doon, pag natapos to, this Techno Hub include newly opened office buildings designed for BPO, IT companies, multinational firms, and corporate offices. Na imagine 5 hectares tong development na additional opportunity sa atin dito sa New Valley. Inside New Valley, yung mga ibang existing developments po natin dito, we have the SNR. Ito yung isa sa mga nauna po natin. And of course, yung Landers. We just opened naman yung Big Box Retail, I think mga 2 years ago na. And ang meron po dito, we have McDonald's, Jollibee, CBT with drive-thru, and Uniqlo na merong roadside store. And nakagandahan po dito, meron pa siyang isang provision for e-commercial na in the future daw parang ilalagay doon is Filipino restaurant. So wala pa siyang update, pero kung makakuha tayo ng information from the office, nasabihin ko din po ito sa YouTube channel ko. So to summarize the New Valley North, this is the Metro New Valley of Laguna. So ang gagawin po dito, approximately 200 hectares in size, na ang components niya po, we have the Lakeside District. It focuses on leisure, entertainment, mga malls. Doon po ito makikita sa Lakeside District. And sunod naman po yung Central District po. Doon po makikita yung si East Block, the North CPD, yung binabanggit ko po before. It will focus on multinational enterprises, BPO towers, business offices, corporate offices, and lastly, the civic district po. Dito po magkakaroon tayo ng world-class church with 500 seating capacity po. And bukod po doon, magkakaroon po tayo ng Santa Rosa Civic Complex. It's an extension of City Government of Santa Rosa inside Nuvali. Na imagine po, no, sa isang building, nandun lahat ng government offices like NBI, LTO, PIR, na hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa iba't ibang locations kasi nasa isang building na po lahat ng kailangan po natin. So overall, the Metro Nuvali is the next Makati or BGC of the South, but this time on a more improved version. Kasi sa nakikita po natin sa mga daan sa Nuvali, sobrang lawak po niya. And yung mga trees po natin is naka-align po siya, which will give shade po sa mga dumadaan po sa Nuvali Boulevard. And nakagandahan po dito, yung developments po ni Nuvali is may pattern, like for example sa Nuvali North dedicated for commercial, and yung mga residential po natin will start sa Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. Dito naman po tayo ngayon sa Rotonda, no? Located to sa gitna ng Nuvali. And nagkagandahan po dito, yung first exit niya, it leads us to the way going to Tagaytay Highlands. Approximately mga 20 minutes drive up lang. Nasa Highlands area ka na. And dito din po makikita yung Hana Garden Villas. Nakagandahan dito, meron silang commercial na of course makikinabang po tayo. Yung gagawin po dito is the existing McDonald's na po natin. Tapos may future developments like Starbucks, the Marketplace, and Pancake House. So sobrang excited po ako, no? Kasi as someone na nakatira sa Nuvali, hindi ko na kailangan pang lumabas kasi everything is inside na po. So we are now here sa ating Nuvali Central. Ang dami pong mga guards, no? Kasi sa Nuvali, we have levels of security. The first one is the community security. Lahat ng subdivisions has its own security system. And within the Nuvali Estate, at tawag naman po namin doon is the estate security. So, sa Nuvali North ka man, Central, South, and Heights, sobrang secured po dito. On our right side naman is the Central Block. Central Block is approximately 12 hectares in size. It's a commercial development na located in the heart of Nuvali. So ano po ba yung makikita dito? Right now, ongoing construction yung Mary Mart, which will be open possibly this quarter of the year. And yung susunod naman po is the shops, mga restaurants, coffee shop, and drugstore. Kagandahan dito, mayroong mga commercial lots in Central Block na pagkatapos po ito, dedicated po siya for bank, salon, spa. It's like Molito, parang ganun yung feel niya, or Alabang Town Center, na everything is inside na hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Nuvali North para mag-shopping or mag-grocery kasi everything is inside na po the Nuvali Estate. Ito pong street na to is the way going to Solara Park Stories Nuvali, our condo project, and yung isa naman po yung townhouse project natin, which is Amaya Series Nuvali. And doon din po located yung ating school, which is Xavier School. So, everything is inside na po talaga. Look at the road. Grabe, no? Saan ka makakita ng isang mahabang road sa Philippines that has this kind of view? Na ako minsan, kapag ako galing sa office, meeting with clients, pero pag dumadaan ako dito, nawawala lagi yung pagod ko. That's why I myself choose to invest here inside Nuvali kahit taga-north ako originally, kasi ito yung ino-offer ng ating development. And kung makikita nyo po dito, on our right side, no, yan naman po yung ating Nuvali Estate Shuttles. In Nuvali kasi, may transportation system po dito na every 30 minutes may mga dumadaan ng mga shuttle vehicles. Nakagandahan dito, if ayaw nyo pong mag-drive inside Nuvali, maghintay ka lang po sa labas ng subdivision, makakapunta ka na po sa lahat ng parts of Nuvali. On our left side is the Rockwell, no? So, kung ano yung makikita nyo na parang fence nila dun sa Rockwell Makati, almost the same lang. Kasi yan naman talaga yung trademark ni Rockwell. Pag pumasok ka dyan, approximately mga 70 hectares yung development nila. Meron silang mga residential communities doon. E meron silang country club doon, no, na pwede ka pong mag-dine in. And yung restaurant po nila na Bizu, nandoon din po. So, we are now here sa Nuvali South. As you can see, dito sa pinaka-T road po natin, yan yung future na 10 hectares na Alfresco Mall, na ang tawag na po dyan is New Valley Town Center. So ito naman po yung mall natin sa New Valley South. And kagandahan, kung nag-left turn tayo kanina, doon located naman yung 31 hectares na play park, which include 16 hectares na bike trail, and nandun din po yung garden center, green corridor, tapos po meron tayong existing na golf driving range sa area. So imagine, we can actually convert this lupa into 2 or 3 subdivisions, pero ginawa lang po namin siyang isang malaking entertainment area or leisure area in Nuvali. On our right side naman po is the Everest Academy. So kung meron ka pong relatives na gustong mag-aral sa US, sobrang gandang school po kasi may mga affiliation na po siya ng school sa US. Sa preparatory school po siya. Yan. Ito yung binabanggit ko po kanina na parang sa security system natin on our right side, no? So yun naman po yung substation dito sa New Valley South. On our left side naman po is the Miriam College. So isa yan sa mga schools in Nuvali na pag natapos po yung buong school, ngayon po meron tayong elementary and high school building. Pag nagawa na si college building, ang sabi po mas malaki pa daw ito sa Miriam College and Katipunan. And aside from Miriam College, ang meron po tayo dito na malapit sa area is the ongoing construction of UST. Approximately mga 40 hectares, mas malaki pa sa Manila campus. And we have the ongoing construction of University of the East. And yung mga existing natin sa area, we have LaSalle Laguna Campus, Mapua Malayan College, medyo malapit na rin, Adventist University of the Philippines, and the future National University in SM Nuvali. So imagine lahat ng big schools in Metro Manila, nasa Nuvali na po lahat, and we consider the Nuvali area as the next university belt of the South.
I am currently here sa New Valley South, one of the highest peaks of New Valley, and where the residential projects of New Valley are located. So dito po we have the landed residential community na mayroong pre-selling and ready for occupancy. Kung ready for occupancy naman po ang hanap po natin, the best option now is Aberdeen Estates New Valley. Actually, this year po ang completion niya, no? At kung gusto niyo po magpatayo agad ng bahay, may mga available lots po tayo dito. The lot here starts at 160 square meters up to 237 square meters. Very limited na lang po. Kaya kung ako po sa inyo na nanonood po ng video na to, mag-message na po kayo para masendan ko po kayo ng details. And for the pre-selling po na naghahanap naman po ng longer payment term, the best option now is Crisella New Valley. The lot starts at 160 square meters hanggang 236 square meters. We just launched the project December 2024 and ang target completion nyo naman po by 2027. Imagine po, next year, last quarter po ang completion. But good news, we are offering up to 42 months to pay. Ganun po siya ka-flexible yung payment term natin. So again, if you are looking for a lot-only project in New Valley, may mga options po tayo dito. And kung ang reason of purchase naman po natin is for investment, no? We also have condo project here. The name of the project is Solara Park Stories New Valley. We launched this property last 2023, and ang target completion po ng Tower 1 is by next year, 2027. Ang kagandahan po dito, this is just a mid-rise condo lang. Na imagine, this is 1.7 hectares in size. In Metro Manila, with this kind of land, we can put up to 7 towers. Ganun siya kadami. But in Solara Park Stories New Valley, 3 towers lang po yung ilalagay natin. So as if na nakatira ka lang sa isang subdivision na meron kang malaking open space. And kung naghahanap ka naman ng townhouse, ang isang good option naman po natin is Amaya Series New Valley. This is the most affordable housing in New Valley. If you want to secure a piece of New Valley na hindi mo kailangan ng luxury ng malaki, this townhouse of Amaya Series New Valley, good option for us. When you buy in New Valley, you're buying more than a home. You're becoming part of a thriving, sustainable eco-city with integrated residential, commercial, educational, and lifestyle developments. I hope nagustuhan niyo po yung ating drive tour, no? And if you are interested to invest in and mag-inquire sa New Valley, just send me a message through my Viber, iMessage, and WhatsApp. That is +63961 462 2138. My Facebook page is The Property Expert, Ayala Land by Carlos Steve Singson. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, This is Steve Singson, your property expert in Nuvali.